Welcome to Learn Swahili in www.swahiliplatform.blogspot.com or in www.linguacswahili.blogspot.com. My name is Marco Henry. This lesson is about the initial stage of learning the Swahili sounds. This means you are going to learn the types of the Swahili sounds and how these sounds are pronounced. Briefly, there are two types of the Swahili sounds. These are 25 consonants and 5 vowels. So, let us start with the vowels. As I've already mentioned, the Swahili language has 5 vowels. Therefore, I'm going to present them with their pronunciation. Pay close attention to A, like in heart. A, like in pen. E, like in insect. O, like in origin. U, like in two. Those were the Swahili vowels. So, the following are the 25 Swahili consonants. Also, I'm going to present these consonants with their pronunciation. Pay attention to Ba, like in bachelor. Cha, like in chatty. Da, like in daddy. Fa, like in fatty. Ga, like in gatti. Ha, like in hearty. Ja, like in Java. Ka, like in kangaroo. La, like in Lambert. Ma, like in man. Na, like in banana. Pa, like in paddy. Ra, like in ratty. Sa, like in sadi. Ta, like in tag. Va, like in vati. Wa, like in wanti. Ya, like in yap. Za, like in zap. Ra. This sound is commonly found in the Bantu languages including Swahili. The. To pronounce this sound, the tip of the tongue is placed between the upper and the lower front teeth, like in that. The. When you pronounce this sound, the tip of the tongue is placed between the upper and the lower front teeth, like in path. Nya. This sound is commonly found in the Bantu languages including Swahili. When you pronounce this sound, the air stream is passing through the nose. Nga. Also, this sound is commonly found in the Bantu languages including Swahili. And the last consonant is sha, like in shampoo. That was all about the Swahili sounds. In summary, you have learned about the types of the Swahili sounds, which are 5 vowels and 25 consonants. The point to note is, as a beginner of the Swahili learning, you should practice more in order to master these sounds. Also, in order to improve, you can follow other lessons about the Swahili sounds prepared by us. Thank you. Also, you can contact us via